Hey guys, Jiven here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you an easy way to train your hair to slick back and stay up all day long. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. So if you want your hair to stay back with volume, first off you need to grow your hair length long enough so that it will actually stay back. An example is take a look at my side hair over here. So for Asian hair, when the side hair grows out, it actually points outwards because it grows perpendicular and it just like sticks out like a porcupine. So what you do is you just want to grow your top hair. This top hair from the top of my scalp just falls down to the side, so it gives the illusion that my hair all goes down. My side hair is actually all short, and it's my top hair here that falls to the side to give the illusion that my side hair is all growing downwards. But as you can see in this photo over here, my side hair is actually just sticking out and doesn't look that special when it's all grown out. So just let gravity do the work. The longer your hair is, the easier it is to fall down. This is similar to when your bangs is long. The longer your hair bangs, it's easier for it to slick back. When it's too short, you just have to use more hair products and more time to just push it backwards. So the method I'm going to show you right now is not that hard. First off, you want to grow your hair length long enough that it goes about your nose over here. So right here. And the hair length is about... Ooh, where's my ruler? Alright, here's my ruler. Alright guys, so your hair bangs has to be around like 11 to 12 centimeters, for optimal length. Next, you want to take a shower so your hair is a bit damp, so it's easier to like move your hair around. Now you can use your comb to just comb your hair backwards. What I like to do is over here, since your hair is longer over here already, I like to just like start out like this and push it backwards, just so it gives some volume. Just push it outwards a bit and let it fall down, just so it gives like it just push everything up and it makes your hair look higher. Now I'm going to use the comb just to comb all my hair backwards. Sorry. Yeah, combing it backwards while pushing it down. Next, I'm going to use my cap over here and just wear it real quick. So what I just like covering my forehead because my forehead is pretty big actually. Let's quickly show you guys. Look how big my forehead is. I was actually thinking of growing a man bun, but decided against it because my forehead is just too big. So yeah, if you want a simple method to push your hair backwards with volume, this is what you can do. Just grow your hair long enough, use your comb to slick your hair back after you shower, wear a cap or even put on like a bandana or something just to push your hair and lock it in place for a bit, and then there you have it. Of course, without using a blow dryer or hair products, over a few hours your hair will just come back down again just because you're walking around, you're moving about, so it just falls down. So if you really want to lock your hair in place, what you can do is use a blow dryer to blow dry it a little bit on the roots of your hair so it dries and stays in place backwards. Use some gel or wax just to put it a little bit, and then use some hairspray just to and then